What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel right here at Vernon's Closet. Thank you so much for tuning in. On today's video, I want to show you guys something I'm really excited about, and that is a new book from Louis Vuitton that features Virgil Abloh. I love this cover. This cover is so cool. It's quite interesting because when you order this book on Louis Vuitton's website, there are two different versions of this book, and there's another version that's just got like a plain sky balloon on it. And I think most people like this cover the best, and so it's kind of frustrating because people have been saying that when you order it, you don't know what you're going to get when you order it. They either give you one or the other. It's kind of like a surprise, and I would think that most people are getting the one that's not so desirable. And I also called the Louis Vuitton store to see if they had a book, and they did, and of course it was the one that wasn't really all that desirable. And so I happened to have found a store that sells nothing but this version, which is fantastic because on Louis Vuitton's website they're always sold out, and on top of that you don't know what cover you're going to get. So why not go to the store that has the one I really want? So I bought two of them actually. I'm so excited to open it up. I haven't opened it up yet. I got it yesterday, and I'm really excited, you guys. So let's just jump right into it and open it up. All right, you guys, let's jump right into it. So this is not the book. This is another book I got. This is talking about the manufacturers. So as you can see, I love coffee table books. This book basically just goes behind the scenes, talking about how a lot of stuff is made. It just features the different cities and that the factories are in. It talks about the workers that makes all the Louis Vuitton stuff. It's a really beautiful book. I encourage you guys to go and get this book as well. I randomly will turn it to a random page and just let it sit here, you know? So that's that book. Now let's open up our newest book. Woo! So excited about this. Okay, so I'm going to use my handy dandy X-Acto knife to open her up. So let's get into it. I love using this X-Acto knife. It's so satisfying. Okay. I don't need it that much, just to get it started. All right. And the plastic is off. Okay, so the book is like this cool material. I don't know how to describe it. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Got Louis Vuitton down there. Assoline, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. But let's see what she looks like. Of course, you guys know Virgil. He passed away not long ago. And so this is a big, huge collector's item, especially if you're a fan of Louis Vuitton and Virgil. And I am. I'm a huge fan of his last collection. All of his stuff, really, I'm a fan of, really, to be honest with you. I got one bag that he designed. And so here is the foreword by Michael Burke, chairman of CEO of Louis Vuitton, as you can see there. And I'm just going to skim through it. Of course, I can't skim through every single page, but just kind of want to give you an idea, you guys an idea of what the book is all about. And oh wow, it's really sad. He just kind of passed away out of nowhere. I guess he didn't want to come public about his illness, but really sad. But I'm glad that they did a book like this for him. Not sure if this was already in the works before he passed away, but I'm happy that this exists now, and you can see all of the stuff that he's done. I'm pretty sure this only shows like a glimpse of what he's done, but of what he's contributed to Louis Vuitton. But I'm so glad this book is out there. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. I love seeing the men's collections. Oh, they're just so classic. It's like timeless, you know? This stuff will never go out of style. I love all the details. Love it. Oh wow. Look at that. I love the art direction. The art direction in a lot of these shoots was just amazing. Virgil was the kindest, most warmest soul I've ever met. He was a true visionary, genius, disruptor, epic, DJ, and artist, but he was also just truly a beautiful human. I've never known anyone quite like him, and I know I never will. Once in a lifetime. Wow. Wow. This is gonna be so fun. I like being able to come in my room here and just looking at pictures in the book, reading the book, just kind of escaping from my world a little bit, you know? I like doing that with these kinds of books. These coffee table books, they're really awesome. Beautiful. I mean, just epic all the way around. I mean, the passion that he had, the devotion he showed, just amazing. Amazing work by a brilliant designer. He was definitely one in a million. One in a million. And I remember when he first became the designer, the creative director for Louis Vuitton, it was a huge deal. It's a huge deal. Oops, I'm almost dropping the book. It's so heavy, my gosh. I remember when he first became the designer for Louis Vuitton, it was like such a huge deal. It wasn't even that long ago, honestly. It was such a big deal because the idea of a black man, being the designer of a huge fashion house like Louis Vuitton, that's a huge deal. That's a big deal because it's not a lot of us doing it. So that's a huge deal. So I'm pretty sure that opened the doors and gateways for a lot of other black male designers, So this book is just, it'll take a long time to really go through this whole book and look at everything. But I mean, it's just, I had to get it. I had to get this book. This book was a must-have. And thanks to YouTube, I found where to get this particular cover of this book. I had the other cover on hold at Louis Vuitton store. I found a client representative and she held it for me. And I kind of felt bad because I didn't get it through her. But I did tell her, hey, I'm so sorry for any inconvenience, but I found the cover that I wanted at another store. And, I offered to tip her for any inconveniences. She was like, oh, no worries. It's not a big deal. I can't take tips, enjoy your book. But, yeah. Oh, I love that sweater. I have a sweater similar to that, but I don't know what that is. Yeah. Oh, there's the basketball NBA collection. You guys remember that? I love these shorts. These shorts are awesome. Oh my gosh. A lot of the clothing pieces are collector's items. Like, it's going to be hard to find these items, Like, you have to really look at that. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Just beautiful. Oh, I remember this bag here. I wanted this bag so bad. I wanted it so bad, and I said, no, Vernon, don't do it. It's just too much. I just would feel horrible if I spent that much on a bag. The bag was like $4,000, $3,800 before tax. I'm just like, oh my God, that's a lot. Oh, and that looks familiar. I have that photo hanging up in my room here. If you guys haven't checked out the room tour of my room that I'm in now, I show off a photo that I have framed this exact same bag. Really cool bag, really cool. All right, you guys, I'm not gonna hold you guys forever on this book. I can't go through every single page, of course. But yeah, if you wanna feel inspired, if you wanna have a nice coffee table book, or if you wanna gift it to someone, get this book, okay? Check it out at louisvuitton.com. And I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace.